Okay, so this is our problem with this steering. This puppy broke right in half. It goes. So when you steer the wheels, there's the old one here. This is the old sprocket there. But there's a. This guy sits right up in the bottom here. This guy right here. So he has to sit in here good. And then this guy goes up on here. And you see, you're gonna have to, there you go, watch your fingers there. But he slides right up in here. And then that's how the steering turns nicely. But this can't be jiggling all around here as it is now. So you need to get this handy guy, because this is our broken one here, so you can clearly see what our problem was. But you need to get this guy up in there. I don't know if I'll be able to show you very well, but I'll give you an idea. To get the other one out, I used one of these guys. They're invaluable little tools, a little magnet. So we can stick the magnet right to that guy, like that. That's a long way to go with your fingers, so I don't want to lose this sucker right there. They're only 10 bucks, and there'll be a link in the description. But and you're gonna have to pull that. I'm gonna have to pull that steering thing up actually. Block it up so it don't come down. First, actually, make sure you're the right way, because I had it upside down. I want it to be like this. It's gonna sink down in a hole. Actually, I can almost reach it with my hand. That belt almost touched my hands together. Okay, I found the other piece of the broken one here. I can get that out of there. There you go. Oh, I could touch my fingers together. Oh shit, it's right here then. Alright, so if you got small enough hands, you just stick your hand right up in there and you can get it. I have probably average size hands, I would say. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, I think we got it. Come through this hole here. There's the right hole, right? All right, we got the right. Yep, we got the right hole. All right, and just keep spinning it till we can get that. There, get that hex lock in there. It's there. I'll try bringing the steering down. See if that works. Coming down. Okay, we got the steering through there. So now we can jiggle and wiggle it, and it looks pretty good, huh? Yeah, I can feel the hex down there. Turn, and now we should just be able to put. To make sure your wheels are straight and your wheels pointed the same before you go tighten that bottom. Loosen it off. Make sure you got this washer on before you do all that. Get that down in there. There we go. There we go. good to go. We got lawnmower that steers for $14. You obviously want to avoid doing that to steer when you're not moving, but it's all for YouTube, right? So hope that helped. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Have fun.